The purpose of this video is to help you with navigating ePortfolio for the assignment that is due during the second week of classes. Just as a reminder, when you are logged onto Blackboard, you can find your weekly assignments listed under the Weekly Modules tab on the left-hand side. This is for week 2. Again, you have an outline here telling you all that needs to be completed during the second week of classes. Please make sure that you read through that, as this video is only outlining one component that is due this week. This week you will begin exploring ePortfolios. The assignment that you have due this week is linked here. This is an introduction assignment just to get you familiar with ePortfolio and to get the base of your ePortfolio set up so that you are ready to submit other assignments throughout the semester. It details exactly what needs to be completed, and then it also provides you with a rubric on how you will be graded. This is a 30-point assignment that is due by Sunday at midnight. So to access ePortfolio, you need to click the ePortfolio tab on the left side of the screen when you're logged onto Blackboard. There is a place to log in to the ePortfolio. You will be using your UAID and password to log in. Mine is already logged in because I've done this several times, but you will probably need to type in your information if you have not accessed ePortfolio before. I do have an example set up for you here. So you can, well, I'll show you this in just a moment, but when you log on, you'll need to scroll down to where your classes are listed. And if you have done ePortfolio in the past, again, you just need to scroll down to our course. So you're looking for the University 150 classes. Click on that, and then click on ePortfolios. You'll notice mine is here. This is an example for you to look at. Eventually, all of yours will show up here. So just keep in mind that these are visible to everyone in our class. When you are ready to create yours, you're going to click on this link that says Create ePortfolio from Template. The first thing you will need to do is to add a picture here. You'll notice from the example that I've given you that it does not need to be a super serious professional picture, but it does need to show your face. A selfie is fine just as long as we can see you. When you add a picture, you can upload files. Here you can take a picture directly, whatever you would like to do. This is much like social media, if you are familiar with how that works. If you have not used social media, if this is not something that's familiar to you, it may take you some time to navigate how this works. But you would upload a file from your computer and then you can add it. It may take a couple tries to make sure that the photo fits properly. I know that the picture that I originally had picked for this didn't quite work because of the shape of the thumbnail. For your ePortfolio name, you need to put your name and then the course. And the reason that I ask you to add the course is that you may be asked to make ePortfolios for several of your classes throughout your college career, and this will just help you with organizing them. Once you have your picture and the title, you just click Create. It will go through and add the different components for our class. These are the assignments that you will have due during the semester. And then it will launch into your page. So you'll notice that everything is basically set up for you. So all you need to do now is to change the page so that it has your information. So there are 3 things that I'm asking you to do this week. Replace this picture with a photo of yourself. Again, that needs to be a picture of you where we can see your face. You'll notice when you look at my example that I have a different photo here than I do on the thumbnail. That's completely up to you. Your name goes here. and then a welcome paragraph or two. This is where you can tell us about yourself, and there are some details in the introduction assignment of what you should include in that paragraph. So when you are ready to edit, you will need to click this lock, and that will make it so that you can make changes on your page. So to edit, you click the edit button. You'll notice for this specific one, you can replace the picture and you can edit the caption. If you want to tell us what's happening in the picture, then you would edit the caption. Otherwise, you can just delete the caption completely. And then if you want more options, you click the settings button and you will notice that there are advanced options here. When you are in the area where there is text, the advanced settings let you change your font style, size, color, the alignment, all those types of things. What I'm asking you to do is not overly complicated as far as the information that you need to provide, but it can take some time to customize this the way that you would like and to add in the information. Whenever you try new technology, it can be a little bit tricky to figure out all the nuances. So please give yourself some time when you are completing this. Once you are done, you will need to click the Publish Changes button. And at that point, you will be able to click this over so that you can see what it will look like when it is published. So again, you're replacing the picture, your name, and the welcome paragraph. So when you are done, it should look something like this. And I'm going to put mine into published view just so you can see what it will look like when you're viewing it. So my picture, my name, and then my welcome paragraph. So I've told you a little bit about my life, and I've included some pictures here to help you get to know me a little bit better. These are pictures of my kids, my dog, and my husband. When you are in edit mode, there are some videos down here that can help you as well. These are more general videos, whereas this is specific to our class. But these videos do include tips on editing if you need help with that. I can also help you as well, so feel free to email me or attend office hours. Once you have this completed, you can go into published view. You will copy the address, go back to Blackboard to our second week of class, and then you will submit the web address, the link from your page. That's what you will submit for your assignment. And that's what I'll use, and I'll know that you have it done. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me or to attend office hours. I look forward to getting to know you more through these introduction assignments. Have a great week.